Welcome. In this video, we shall learn about the drag and drop API in JavaScript, a simple way to let users move elements around on the page. Think of it like moving books from one shelf to another. The drag and drop API allows user to grab an item and move it somewhere else. You shall see this in taskbar like Trello or even when uploading files by dragging them into a window. It's supported by our modern browser. Imagine picking up a box that's the dragstart event, hovering it over the new shelf. That's dragover. And finally, when you place it down, that's the drag event. These three events are the core of how drag and drop works. Here's how it looks in code. We mark an element as draggable, then listen for drag start, drag over and drop. It's a quick and fun way to make your UI interactive and user friendly.